All right, so we're gonna take our face pot and we're gonna do some planting, right? What are we planting?
We'll put basil in here.
We're gonna do the basil? All right, here we go, basil time. We're basiling. All right, so, oh yeah, we gotta flip that into something bigger. Okay, so you gotta get.
We don't need this.
Okay. So we want to put some in here first, but you've already knocked the hole out of it, so
Yeah.
there you go. All right, so there we go. We're gonna use our fingers. And when I say we, I mean my honey, because she has a green thumb. All right, the question is, can we get this out of there without screwing it up? Oh yeah, look at that. Now she's gonna crunch that a little bit so that, yeah, that's it. And we're gonna put some more of that in. Nice. Nice. Look at that guy. Oh yeah, he's cool looking, isn't he? You gotta like the face on it. Mm-hmm. They have a whole bunch of better, I think, cooler ones. You know what I mean? Uh-huh. There's some cooler ones.
Yeah.
Like I got the green one. Maybe I should have got the white one. You would have liked that one better. Is that gonna hold up there?
I need to get one of my sticks. Here, right there.
Okay, I'll hold them while you do that. Okay, I got it. Got to get a stick to prop it up. But look at him. He's smiling. He's in the flower pot. Face flower pot. Yep. It's GUGUGO Face Flower Pot.
I don't know where my little
I do
clips
believe.
are, but that will probably hold it.
Yeah, that should do it.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, that's it, man. That's good. All right, so now what?
So now I put a little bit of water in it, and then my bulb,
Oh, okay.
watering bulb. That's
Where are we gonna put her? Up next to the?
No, it goes right here.
It's just gonna go over there. Let's see. All right, yeah. Check out all these plants we got. If we had more of those cool looking pots, we could just, replant everything. All right, we have to put a little water. I'm gonna fill this cup up. I'll fill this cup up with water. That should be enough. All right. Here's a little water cup.
I don't know what you just said.
A cup of water to put in there. Think that's enough?
I have the
All right, she's cleaning the dirt up. How about this water? Can I just pour that in there?
You can pour that in there slowly.
Slowly. Mr. Plant. Oh shit, that was not good. That does not work well. Oh, Jesus, this is nuts. All right. So hard to film and do it left-handed, because I'm not left-handed. I should use a tripod, I guess. It's unbelievable. You try to use your left hand, you can't do it if you're right-handed. So stupid. I think that's going to be enough. All right, now I'm going to put a bulb in there, and that's going to keep it hydrated all day long. Pick a big bulb?
Yeah.
Like one of these?
Yeah.
All right, what about these?
I'll take these.
Okay, this big bulb here.
Yes.
You want me to put that in there?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to go put it in there. Do I smush it all the way in?
You don't hit the bottom of the pot.
You better do it. That's big. That's how those work. See that? We filled them up with Wawa. Now we're just going to put them right in there. Just like that. That's a big ball. I don't know, man. It's going to knock the whole thing over. All right, that's our pot right there. Check him out. I think he's going to do good with the basil. All right, let's take a look at it. Right there she is. Spin her around a little bit here. So we got our water globe in there, and that plant is going to flourish in our new pot that we got it. It seems very happy. The pot makes it happier. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this.